crying. And she's so happy. What happened? She seems to have a stomachache.
Stay with us
Until the end.
to see this cartoon.
Hello my friends, today we are drawing a sandwich and a Coca-Cola. Now we are drawing a sandwich. Time to paint Coca-Cola. time, and Emma went to buy herself a sandwich and a cola. She's so happy because she likes sandwich very much, but she has not washed her hands yet. She's coming back from school very soon. What happened? She seems to have a stomachache. Emma went to the hospital. I'm so sad. Maybe her pain is too much. She explains to the doctor what she ate today. The doctor tells her that she should always wash her hands before eating. Now Emma and her brother wash their hands well before eating anything. Emma, you went and bought a sandwich again? I am also hungry. Thank you for watching our video until the end.